Hello, period 4. Today we are going to start chapter 6, section 6, discounts and markups. So we're going to see a lot of these when you're out shopping. If there's a discount, you can figure out what the sale price is, or it's sometimes interesting to see how much the stores have marked something up so that they'll make a profit out of it. Okay, so these discounts and markups, always kind of think about when you're out kind of shopping, okay? We know that a discount is a decrease, right? So if something is discounted, you get to pay less. It's on sale. So a discount is a decrease in the original price of an item. Okay, so first we're going to find the sale price. So something's on sale, we're going to find what that sale price is. Number one, the original price of a pair of shorts is $35. It's 25% off. So if you go into the store, you see the shorts, they're $35, and then it might just have a sign on top of the rack that says 25% off. So how would we figure out how much the shorts are going to be? Okay, we've got two methods. I don't care which one you choose as long as you are showing your work. Okay, first method, 25% off, percent as a decimal. 25% means 0.25. 25% off of the shorts is $35. Okay, so if you do 25%, 0.25 times the shorts, $35, in your calculator, 0.25 times 35, you get $8.75. Now that's not the sale, that's not the price of the shorts. They didn't go from $35 to $8.75. This is how much you get to take off. So 25% of $35 is $8.75. So now we take $35 for the shorts and we get to take off $8.75. So if you do $35 minus $8.75, new price of the shorts is $26.25. That's method one. Okay, now some of you, okay, if this makes sense, go for it. If it doesn't make sense, obviously don't use it. Method two would be if you're getting 25% off of your shorts. Okay, think the opposite of that. That means if they're 25% off, that means you only have to pay for 75% of the shorts, right? So you can do 75% is what I'm paying. I'm only paying 75% of the $35. So if I do 0.75 times 35, you get your answer of $26.25 immediately in one step. Okay? If it makes sense, go for it. If not, do it the first method. Okay? Let's try another one. The original price of a skateboard is $50. It's on sale for 20% off. Okay? We get to take 20% off of the skateboard. So let's do 20% off of the $50. So 0.20 times 50 is $10 off. So the skateboard was $50, we take off 10, new price, $40. Method two. Go ahead and write both methods so that you are familiar with both. Method two, if we are taking off 20%, that means we have to pay 80%. So 80% times 50, or 80% of 50, is automatically $40. Okay. Alrighty. How does this change things? A pair of shoes that is 40% off is now selling for $33. Find the original price. Okay, so now this is the sale price, right? 40% off, and now you only have to pay $33. We're trying to find the original amount, okay? So here's what we should be thinking. 60% of something is $33, right? We're taking 40% off, so 60% of something is $33, okay? So we can think like this. 60% of some number is $33. Remember doing those equations? 60% times some number is 33. We'll divide by that 0.60. 33 divided by 0.60 is 55. So 55 was the original price. Okay. Now, method 2, we'll go down here. Okay, another way to think about this. A pair of shoes that is 40% off is now selling for $33. So 33 is 60% of something, right? Or so 33 is 60% of some number, or 33 is 0.60 times n. Divide by 0.60, and again, we're going to get 55. Okay? Either way you want to think of it will work. Just show me your thought process. Okay, so those are discounts. Now we're going to talk about markups. So stores obviously mark things up so they can make a profit, okay? They have to increase the amount so that they make money and can stay in business. So the markup is the increase from what the store pays to the selling price. Okay. All right, so we're going to find the selling price. A store pays $70 for an aquarium. That's what they have to pay. They're going to mark it up 20% to make a profit. Okay, method 1. 20% times the $75 aquarium. So 0.20 times 75, that's a $15 is what they're going to increase the aquarium so that they can make a profit. So the original amount was $75. They're going to increase it $15. So the selling price is going to be $90. So for every aquarium they sell, they'll increase it $15. So they'll make a profit of $15 for every aquarium they sell. Okay. Okay, here's the one that's a little bit tricky. 20%, okay, is how much they marked it up. Original, guys, is 100%, right? You have to pay 100% of it, and they're increasing it 20%. That's 120% is what we're actually paying. The aquarium, $75. They're marking it up 20%. So we have to pay the cost plus an additional 20%. So we have to pay 120%. What is 120% as a decimal? Move it twice to the left. We have to pay 1.2. 120% is 1.2 times the aquarium was $75. 1.2 times 75 is 90, not 95. 90 is the selling price. Okay, we're going to get the same answer. Let's look at another one. A store buys a pair of Nike tennis shoes for 50 bucks. They mark it up 60%, so they make that profit on those Nike shoes. So method one, we're going to pay 60% of the $50. 0.60 times 50 is $30 is what they're going to mark them up. The original was 50. They're going to add $30 for each shoe, so they're going to sell them for $80. And if we know anything about Nikes, that's actually a really cheap shoe, isn't it? Okay. Alrighty, let's look at method two. Okay, again, we always have to pay 100%. $50 is the Nike shoes. We got to pay that plus the 60% markup. So we have to pay 160%. As a decimal is 1.6 times the shoe cost is 50. 1.6 times 50 is $80 is the selling price. It just saves us a step if that method makes sense. Okay. Alrighty, and number 3, the cost to the store is 75 cents. The markup is 800%. Okay, this actually, I already showed it. This is movie popcorn. So if you guys remember how expensive it was back before March, how much it was to get popcorn at the movie theater, it's crazy. It's sometimes more expensive to do the concession stand than it is to do the actual movie. Okay, they get the popcorn for 75 cents. They mark it up 800% for us to enjoy. So they make a lot of profit off the popcorn that we're eating at the movie theaters. Okay? All right, so let's find 800% of 75 cents. Okay? Remember that 800% is 8 whole, right? So 8 times 0.75, 8 times 0.75 is $6 is what they mark it up. So the original cost was 75 cents. They mark it up $6. So it's $6.75 for us. Okay. Other method. We are paying 100% no matter what. They marked it up 800%. So we're paying 900% for movie popcorn. 900% is just 9 or 9.0 times the 0.75, times the 0.75 cents for the original amount. And 9 times 0.75 is your $6.75 selling price. Okay. Alrighty, guys, that is your percent discounts and markups. Decrease.